Next, we'll move to the tailgate locking mechanism. All tailgate latches come standard with a removable safety pin that must be stowed before opening the tailgate. Additionally, you'll notice that the tailgate locking mechanism is pitched back at an angle. The angle of the mechanism allows the tailgate to latch tightly against the rear of the body without any upward motion of the tailgate itself. This elimination of upward motion of the tailgate extends the life of the seal and reduces the option for damage.